8KB, thank you for yellow super chat. That's your comment, yellow super chat. That is indeed a yellow super chat. Thank you, thank you. Rock, rock. It is yellow, and it is a super chat. Yellow super chat. Wonderful. Rock, rock. Are you sure it's yellow? Yes, I'm sure. I'm not colorblind. Do not gaslight me into thinking it is another color of super chat, okay? I saw what happened with Narissa. No! AKB, thank you for the super rock. Biboo, what's your opinion on the Ada Wong microwave edit? And have you ever thought about being in a microwave edit? How do you know that I know this? You guys were saying, no, we're not TikTok. No, we don't watch TikTok. No, we don't. But then you know what the Ada Wong microwave edit is? You know what that is, but then you say, no, we don't watch TikTok. No. That doesn't make sense. I think microwave edits are cool. I could see people, doing microwave edits. I like beat drop edits though. Can you make more edits of people? Like, can you make like the edit like we using the song like bump bum 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 bum, and then the beat drops and it goes boom boom like that one? Can you do that one but edit it with people? Like the one where it goes like bump 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 bump, and then it goes like the slots sound effect and goes you know that one. Yeah, with dubstep. Yeah, make people edits. I like people edits. Yeah. A microwave edit, huh? What are you talking about? The wub wub. Make people edits of the wub wub. I know what song you're talking about. Thank you! Someone knows what song I'm talking about based off of my weird sound effect clues. Thank you. AKB, thank you for the super rock. Babel, I deep thinkly of what it would be like if we didn't deep thinkly. Dang it! Stop making fun of me. I'm leaving now. Bye. Okay. Dang it. See you tomorrow for the finale of season 1 of 7 Days to Die. Bye bye. Biboo later. Thanks for taking a personality test with me, teehee. 7. We. Biboo! Later. Bye bye.
有的就得喂呀，我妈修过没喂呀，小猪这样的家，大娘。